Christmas. Well, no, it's after Christmas. And you know what that means? It's time to start thinking about the next year and what you're going to be doing and how you're going to be doing it. And maybe you stumbled upon this video because you were just sitting on the sofa, just enjoying your vacation time. But next week, it's going to be time to start going. So I want you to enjoy that vacation. But I also want you to invite you to a special goal setting workshop that my partner and I, John Diggs, former NFL player, are doing. We're going to do it on New Year's Eve. That's right, New Year's Eve. We're going to do it at 10:30 to 1 o'clock. So you're not going to be doing anything during that time. Anyways, most likely, and that's going to be Mountain Time. So it would start at 12:30 Eastern Time. And I want to make sure that you're there. But here's the thing. This isn't your typical workshop. This is a working workshop. I want you to roll up your sleeves. I want you to bring some pen. I want you to bring some paper, because at the end of this, you are going to have your life transformed to your best life in 2025. Hey, we're going to talk about just 5 personal goals. That's what we're going to be working on: personal development, financial and career, relationship, health and wellness, and then some purpose-driven spiritual stuff. And so we're going to do that. The theme is going to be be, do, have. That's be, do, have. I was talking to one of my podcast guests that I had on the other day, and he said most people start out with do, have, be, where they try to do something so that they can have something, and hopefully they'll become. And most of our goals, a lot of our goals are written that way, as we got to do, then we get to have, and then we'll become a person. We're going to mess that all up. We're going to change that mindset. We are going to put you in a place where you're going to be, then you're going to do, you become the person you need to be, then you're going to do the thing, then you get to have. So what I need you to go to BrianEArnold.com/2025 goals. That's lowercase on 2025 goals, BrianEArnold.com. Go ahead and sign up for your seat. It is free. It is absolutely free. And what is it? So that means no cost to you. Well, maybe the cost to you is not attending. All right, you guys have an awesome, wonderful, this incredible day. I'll see you there.